Uh, I'm Kian J.H. Soriano, 20 years old po, from San Felipe Central, Binalonan, Pangasinan. Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professional who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans. Through innovation, industry, focus education, sustainable research, and value-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principal center culture, defining our values of makajos and marunong and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, passion. In Network 101, I studied the fundamental of networking, including LAN 1 and how device communicated. I learned about the OS model, 7 layers, and the functions of router switches and hubs. Through hands-on, I practice and I work with RJ45 connectors, crimpal cables, and applied rating standard. Like T56 8A and T56 8B, which strength my practical and theoretical understanding of networks. Ano pa? Bye.